Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two powerful things every Oppo user should know. First, how to perform a full hard reset safely, and second, how to open the hidden engineering menus with secret dialer codes. By the end you'll be able to troubleshoot your Oppo phone like a pro. Let's start with the hard reset. A hard reset wipes all personal data and returns the phone to factory condition, so always back up your contacts, photos, and apps before you begin. Method 1, using settings. Open Settings, go to Additional Settings, then Backup and Reset. Tap Erase all data, Factory Reset, read the warning, and confirm. The phone will reboot and begin erasing. Method 2, using Recovery Mode, if the phone is locked or frozen. 1. Power the phone off completely. 2. Press and hold volume down and power at the same time until the Oppo logo appears. 3. Release the power button but keep holding volume down until recovery mode appears. Four. Use the volume buttons to move to wipe data and press power to select. 5. Confirm wipe data and wait for it to finish. 6. When done, select Reboot. This is the fastest way to clear a forgotten pattern lock or serious software error. Now for the hidden part, Oppo's secret engineering codes. These codes are entered into the phone app just like dialing a number. Here are the safest and most useful codes. Asterisk #06 hashtag, displays your IMEI number instantly. Hashtag 4636 hashtag opens Android's built-in testing menu with phone information, battery details, and usage statistics. Asterisk #1234 hashtag, shows ColorOS and firmware version details. Asterisk #888 hashtag, displays the hardware/PCB version. Asterisk #808 hashtag, launches Oppo's full hardware test menu where you can check touch, sensors, camera, vibration, and more. Codes can vary between models and ColorOS versions. If a code doesn't work, don't worry, it may simply not be supported on your device. And remember, avoid random codes you find online, because some can erase partitions or trigger resets without warning. Always back up your data before using any reset or advanced code. Stick to the diagnostic codes I've shown here unless you're a trained technician. These tools are great for testing and troubleshooting, but they're not designed for everyday use. That's how to hard reset any Oppo smartphone and open its hidden engineering menus. Which of these codes was new to you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smartphone repair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.